The Pratt Industries Group is involved in the total process of waste paper recycling, the collection of waste paper and cardboard through Visi Recycling, its conversion into packaging paper at Visi Paper, the manufacture of 100% recycled cardboard boxes at Visi Board. Pratt Industries is Australia's largest manufacturer of cardboard boxes made from recycled paper. Established more than 40 years ago, Pratt Industries is now an international company, employing more than 3,000 people. Our recycling arm, Visi Recycling, is a crucial part of the process, which has led to establishing our own collection sites in Brisbane, Sydney and Melbourne. We have also appointed agencies in Adelaide and Tasmania, and in regional centres in the eastern states. The company currently recycles 350,000 tonnes of paper and cardboard each year. That's enough to fill a 120-storey building, and it's still expanding its recycling activities. The expansion has created a problem. The enormous amount of material used for recycling means that Visi Recycling needs even more waste paper and cardboard. We're counting on the help of companies and the general community to help fill that need. The raw material Visi Recycling is after is society's waste, the discarded paper and cardboard from offices and factories, from shops and supermarkets, hotels and homes. Pickups of the waste are made from commercial and industrial premises and from curbsides by the company's own fleet of trucks, by local councils, contractors, the community and charity groups. Every truckload which makes it to Visi Recycling is a truckload saved from landfill and instead turned to valuable use or reuse. Because the mountains of paper and cardboard can be awkward to handle, suppliers on larger sites are given baling machines. To further help the collect and recycling process, customers are asked to pre-sort as much as possible, separating glass, plastic, metal and other materials. As cardboard boxes are the major end product at Visi Recycling, the plants need a high proportion of cardboard in their waste, but they also need large amounts of office paper and newspaper. The transformation of the waste into paper and finally cardboard is a mix of basic pulping and sophisticated computerisation. The waste paper and cardboard is sorted and fed through a hopper into a pulping tank. As it mixes with water, a powerful agitator, not unlike a huge kitchen blender, breaks down the material and removes strings, staples and any other contaminating materials. The slurry of water and pulp is sorted and cleaned. The desired mix of long and short fibre material blended to the correct mix for whatever level of paper or cardboard is required. As the sorted fibre mix is dried and starch added for strength, the computer control system regulates every stage, and electronic monitoring ensures quality control. The paper reel is then taken to make corrugated cardboard, which consists of 3 layers joined together. The 3 layers are glued and cured through steam heating as it passes through a corrugating machine that's about half as big as a football field. The continuous sheet of corrugated board is cut into lengths and stacked prior to being made into boxes, and then printed with names, logos and other information for clients. Boxes are then bundled together ready for delivery. Having gone full circle, the material is now ready for its second life. All Visi Recycling requires to keep the circle turning indefinitely is your waste paper and waste cardboard. Our company will do the rest. We are justly proud of our contribution to the environment, and our recycling program provides you with an opportunity to also be involved. We are counting on your waste to help us do an even better job in the crucial area of recycling.